Listen, I know that new gear itch is real. When the Sony a7V dropped, every influencer and their cousin started acting like the a7IV was suddenly just a paperweight. But let's be real for a minute. Unless you're out here shooting pro sports or tracking birds in the hurricane, your a7IV is still a beast. You've already got the a7IV in your bag. Here are 5 solid reasons to ignore the hype and keep your money in your pocket. Okay, first up, we got the sweet spot, 33 megapixels. Both cameras share the same 33 megapixel resolution. In plain English, if you're shooting portraits, landscape, or street photography, your final images are going to look identical. Your clients, your Instagram followers aren't going to be able to tell the difference in a vibe or quality. 10 megaframes per second is more than enough. Look, the a7V, it boasts a crazy 30 frames per second electronic shutter, but honestly, how often are you firing off 30 shots a second? Seriously, for weddings, events, and everyday life, the 10 frames per second mechanical shutter on the a7IV is still a professional standard. And how about this? Save about $1,000 for glass. Now, the price gap is roughly about $1,000 USD right now. That is brand new lens money. Upgrading to a slightly faster body won't change your look nearly as much as picking up a Sony, say 35mm f1.4 or Sigma 24 to 70 millimeter f2.8 Mark II. I mean, you can't beat that. That's a better deal. That makes way more sense. They're so identical. Just put the extra money to better glass. That's gonna last, okay? The video upgrades are niche. Yes, okay. The a7V, it's amazing. It does 4K, 60 frames per second. I'm not gonna lie, it does it without a crop. That's amazing. But if most of your work ends up on social media, which gets compressed anyway, the jello effect or that slight crop on the a7IV just isn't worth $1,000 to fix that. Let's be real. As for right now, it's the same experience camera-wise. I mean, the batteries are the same. The menu system is still the same. You already know the menus. You already have the batteries, the NP-FZ100s. There's no learning curve, no extra accessories to buy. Your a7IV, it's almost a forever camera. As for right now, for 90% of us, now just don't let the marketing make you think otherwise. And this, of course, is if you already own the a7IV.
Cameras Decoded promised more confidence, and that's exactly what I got, all thanks to the Camera Confidence Guide. Helped me in my journey. And I know it'll help you too. It's on sale right now, so check it out.